Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, the dignitaries from media, our esteemed retail financing partners, our insurance partner, and our esteemed partners, channel partners from the state of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. Welcome to the most awaited and most anticipated launch of the all-new Aprilia XXR 160. Thank you. So before I take you forward, I thought let me spend some time that how this product was born. Friends, when Piaggio came to India with his iconic Vespa and Aprilia brand in Indian market, it was a global brand, the product was accepted, and we were leaders globally in the scooter and two-wheeler space. So when we came to India, we did customize the product and launched in Indian market, and we were successful in creating new categories in Indian market with 125cc and 150cc scooter segment. But never ever there was a product which was developed for India. So that was always in our thought that, looking at the Indian road conditions, the operating habits, the behavior patterns which is there, the importance of a co-rider in India, the comfort of co-rider, it is well-balanced vehicle, a vehicle which has a very imposing front stance which is aerodynamically designed. The geometric contours on this vehicle, the use of chrome, the Aprilia graphics, the high quality HD coating in terms of paint, and all that feature which is required to make this vehicle the most stunning looking vehicle and the vehicle which looks super premium. I'll take you to the features of this product, because I've been talking about three broad categories. One being the style, one is the comfort, and other is the performance. So solution. It has taken the inspiration from the new RS 660, and that is the highlight of this vehicle. The LED tail lamps as well. So the tail lamp solution also comes with LED with integrated blinkers. The dark chrome embellishments, which again enhances and accentuates the beauty of this product. The saddle, I think the sweat feel like leather sweat feel like feel to the saddle, and the beautiful stitches of grey and red further accentuates the beauty. And one of the features which personally I like the most is the alloy wheel and the design of the alloy wheel. The dark chrome 12-inch alloy wheel is one of the beautiful alloy wheel you will see on the Indian roads.